Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright white drawing space opens like a tiny stage. Nothing is there yet, but something funny is about to appear. Get ready, little artists, because a cheerful piggy friend is hiding inside these empty lines. A smooth, curved line begins to wiggle across the page. It bends into a long snout shape, then two little ears pop up on top. Our piggy friend is starting to peek into the world.
Yay!
More round shapes join the drawing, and now the head looks big and friendly. A snout, eyes, and ears are taking their places. The picture is still simple, but the piggy already feels full of personality.
Yay!
Swirly glasses appear on the piggy's face, making him look smart and silly. A smiling mouth, rosy cheek, and tiny beard lines are added. Now he looks ready to tell a funny story. A little book begins to open beside the piggy. The piggy leans toward it as if he has discovered a wonderful surprise. Maybe this is a storybook, a joke book, or a book of happy adventures. The book gets clearer, with its pages spread wide and ready. The piggy's smile grows warmer, and one little arm reaches toward the book. He looks like he cannot wait to read aloud. A big round body is added under the piggy's head. Now he looks cuddly, gentle, and very proud of his book. He stands like a cheerful storyteller preparing for a grand tale.
Yes!
Tiny legs and feet appear beneath the round body. The piggy can finally stand up tall and steady. With his book in his hand and a smile on his face, he is ready for story time. A curly little tail pops out behind him with a playful twist. That tiny curl makes the whole drawing extra funny. The piggy looks pleased, as if his tail just said, "Ta-da!"
Okay.
The lines become stronger and cleaner, making the piggy easier to see. His glasses, beard, smile, and book all shine with simple cartoon charm. He seems ready to read a magical bedtime story. The piggy holds the open book carefully, like it is full of treasures. He smiles at the pages and imagines wonderful places. Maybe there are bouncing clouds, dancing stars, and giggling cupcakes inside.
Okay.
The happy reader stands proudly with his little feet on the ground. His round belly, curly tail, and friendly face make everyone smile. He looks like the kindest storyteller in the whole cartoon town. The picture stays neat and calm, giving us time to enjoy every detail. Look at the round glasses, the tiny beard marks, and the cheerful cheek. Our piggy friend is full of gentle, funny wisdom. The piggy keeps reading from the open book with a bright smile. He may be sharing a silly poem or a joyful lesson. Every page feels like a friendly invitation to imagine and laugh.
Yes!
One more moment of black and white magic shows the finished drawing. The piggy, his book, his glasses, and his curly tail are all complete. Now the picture is waiting for color to bring it to life. Hooray! Color arrives at last. The piggy turns bright pink, the cheek becomes rosy, and the book glows red. With a soft shadow under his feet, our joyful storyteller is ready to read forever.